Hi everyone and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make an awesome design for this backpack on Redbubble. So to start, let's look at all the areas that we will need to consider when creating this design. Firstly, we have the pocket, then we have the face of the bag, and then also we have the sides, and then lastly we have the bottom. Now let's look at it again on the template that they provide. So you can see again, there is the pocket, and there is the face, and there are the sides, and there's the bottom. And obviously we will be using my favorite design tool, Canva, again for this. If you do not have an account with them yet, I will leave a link in the description. So I have already uploaded the template that Redbubble provided me. The size you want to create is 3879 pixels times 4554 pixels. And as you probably saw, for this theme I will be doing an ocean theme. So all you have to do is to type into the search bar ocean, and you will see a lot of photos and graphics load for that specific word that you entered, and then you can just decide what you want to use from there. I will be using this one. Now you can upload it directly onto the template, but just remember to remove it once you are done. You can just resize it by dragging the corners and make it as large or as small as you want. Now I'm just going to copy and paste and resize as many as I need, and then we will continue from there. So now that that is done, I will be moving the template to the front again so that I can see exactly where the design needs to go. So you can see when I put it on the front of the design, all the areas will be covered with the ocean graphic. As I always show in my lectures, is that when you zoom into the template, you can see Redbubble actually gives you a lot of information about what sides will go where and what side must be up and what side must be down. So you can just zoom in and have a look there and adjust your design accordingly. Now the graphic that I've decided to add is a whale, specifically an orca. So I'm going to add that now on the front pocket. I've also decided to add some text on the face of the bag, and I'm just going to say something simple like orcas are awesome. So just as in any other Word document or Google Doc, you can also adjust the line spacing and the letter spacing inside Canva. Okay, that looks good. I think that's going to be our design. Now remember to remove the template by clicking on it and then deleting it. And then you also want to download it at a size 3 so that it is the best quality, so that when it's printed on a product, it's not faded or pixelated or any problems like that. In this case, we are not going to remove the background because we want the bag to have the ocean theme on it. And then it is time to add it to Redbubble. So just go into your account and click on Upload New Work. Always remember your title and specifically your tags, because that is how your product will be found on Redbubble if you're not promoting it on other pages outside of Redbubble. So that way you will get the organic traffic. So when it is loaded, you can scroll down and look at all the products that have your design on. Now, because we made a specific design for a backpack, it will be highly unlikely that this will look good on any other design, but you can have a look. But I would recommend that you disable all the other designs so that just the backpack is enabled. Okay, perfect. Just the backpack was enabled. So here is our finished product, and I think that design looks pretty unique, and it definitely looks better than a lot of backpacks that you will see on Redbubble. And you can make things like this and really play around with all the sides and the customizations that you can do using the template. Now, like I said in the beginning, I used my favorite designing tool, Canva, for this once again. Now, what I like about Canva is that they do have a free plan available, and they also have a 30-day free trial on their Pro version that I would highly recommend you take, because there's a lot of incredible features on the Pro version, and you can get access to that by clicking the link. Now, the thing about the templates that Redbubble gives you is that they are all different sizes. Now, if you want a digital document that has all these templates pre-made for you in exactly the right sizes, I have it available for you in my store. I will also leave a link for this in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and if there's anything more you need help with, or if you would like me to do another product, you are welcome to leave a comment. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.